Okay, welcome back everyone. This is Kodro, and today we're going to try to solve the 274 Leetcode problem, which is the H index problem. It's a commonly asked problem in the interviews. It's a medium problem, and I think it's a good exercise for us. So, welcome everyone. This is Kodro, and let's jump to the problem. So, I'm going to try not to talk in the process of understanding and solving the problem. After all that, if I found the solution, I'm gonna explain it in the end of the video. So you can watch the whole video or you can skip directly to the solution. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go, chat. We did in about um about 12 minutes. Oh, yo, that was good. That was good actually. Yeah, that's so good. And the time complexity is ON because we already did a for loop. Uh, I think the time complexity is so good. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna explain the process or the way of thinking very quick. So here we have our, let's go to this description. Here we have our citations. So the H index is about the number of occurrence of citations. So if we have here 30615, we're gonna iterate through the list, but not the list itself, but the sorted one. So we're gonna take this list, we're gonna sort it reversely, and then we're gonna iterate through it. For every paper or research paper, we're gonna check if the number of it, so we're gonna index this list by 1. So this is the first research paper, this is the second, this is the third, the fourth, and the fifth one. So for the first one, the number of occurrence has to be greater than the the index, which is 1. This is also this has to be greater than 2. This has to be greater than 3. And the time we go we found the index or the value of the index is not greater than the index itself, we have to break and then return the last element. So as I did, I sorted the citation and reversed it. Then I initialized a variable h, which is the h index, to store in it the index, and then I iterated it through enumerate to compare the index and the value of the index itself. So I have here our sorted list citations. Here you have C and I. I'm gonna compare every time C and I. So here C is greater than I. I'm gonna increment H. Same thing here. Same thing here until we found the index 1, which is not greater than 3, which is the number of research paper. So here I'm gonna stop. And then I'm gonna return the last index I found, which is the 3. Pretty simple. So yeah, so I'm gonna check if C is greater than I plus 1. I'm gonna increment H, else if I didn't, I'm gonna break and then return the last index that I found. And yeah, this is the H index problem. Hope you liked it. It's a really good problem. You can practice it. And yeah, this is a short video. It's about 50 minutes. Thank you everyone. Hope you like this video. If you like this video and you want me to continue publishing this types of video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you tomorrow.